Oh, hello, Kelly. I need you to turn in that paper of yours about the city of San Francisco, and also there is a rumor going around that you're pregnant. Your son has been saying a lot.
It is true. But I don't know why Brendan told everyone that. I guess he told his friend Ben, then he told his mom, the press, and then it would go on from there. But it'll be in.
Okay, but it has to be tomorrow the latest. It is a very important paper. You're lucky that we chose you, so you better do a great job. It goes in the New York Times. Bet you didn't know.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know that at all. I'm so happy. Don't worry, you won't be disappointed. And when you had a kid with somebody else, did your kids hate you? My boy is angry.
Of course they were. They ended up having 4 half-sisters, but you know, they are actually good friends now. I know it's hard, but before you know it they will adore each other. Okay.
Okay, I guess I will just go with what you say. You have much more experience. But Brendan keeps saying he wants to go and live in England with his father. He's sensitive round Tom.
I'm guessing Tom is the father of your baby. Anyway, how long has it been since Brendan has seen his dad? It could be why he wants to suddenly go. But back to business, how's it coming?
He hasn't actually seen him since he was 4. I don't know. I will ask him when I get home tonight, but my paper is going great. I just need to print it. Then send it in tomorrow.
That's excellent. Have you seen the new worker? He looks a little awkward. I am his new boss, so I thought I better go and talk to him, make him feel welcome and get him to talk to us.
Maybe I will talk to him after you. I remember what it was like when I entered the world of journalism. Do you actually know where Alex is? Doesn't matter, I'll talk to him later. Bye.